Hey YouTube, we're back at the field again. It's beautiful weather, nice and overcast, windy, 10 miles an hour to gusting of 17 or something. And we are here to fly a plane with some new electronics in it. Not necessarily the electronics of the plane, but the radio system. I am also trying to learn ethos from FrSky, on top of trying to learn HTX, ELRS, and Radio Master stuff. I am a glutton for punishment and not very smart, so it's been hard, I'm not gonna lie. I've watched about 1 million videos because I think there aren't that many of them, and some make sense, some don't, and new ones, old ones, I've watched stuff, I've gotten confused, but I've muddled through, and here we are. So we're gonna try this and see what happens. I'm sure it'll go well. The plane flies fine with with any radio system. It's mechanically sound. It's just I would like to get a feel for this radio as soon as possible, and then I'll be working on the stabilized receivers in hopefully bigger planes and trying to get the stabilization figured out just right. So we're using a FrSky X20rs, and so it's, like I said, it's complicated. It's just like Edge. Ethos is like Edge. It's complicated and there's tons of variables. It can do just. So anyways, I think the video quit. I'm gonna try flying in this wind and crap and see how it all goes with the FrSky radio. All right. So the wind is slightly from that direction at the moment. It's calm at the moment, so here we go. Holy crap bags, come on. Whoa, here we go. Alright, maybe we'll try medium rates here. Alright, well, it's going to be hard to probably trim if you put it into the wind. Alright. I don't have a huge battery in it either. That's trying to get a little more right aileron. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Not sure I'm gonna get it trimmed out very good, but definitely get a feel for the radio. It's gusty. Maybe we'll get this trimmed out, maybe we won't. Try to get it into the wind. Alright, well, maybe we'll try to get a land and get some major trimming done, and then There, okay. We want... Okay. And we want it. Okay, we'll try that. Alright, we're going to take off again. I brought it down and did some more trimming because it was getting kind of sketchy in the air. But there's a gust of wind picking up. I was going to wait. Maybe not. Yeah, I can go wait. Now it's more. Anyways, when the gust breaks, I'll try to take off and see how it feels. Maybe now. Yeah. I don't know if the ailerons trim is good or not. It's really freaking goofy. Radio feels pretty good. The grip and where the sticks are, looks to be the sticks are, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch maybe, closer to the side of the radio than say a TX15 that I've been using. It might be a little taller. The radio might be a little skinnier at the grip. So yeah. Dang. Squirrely as all get up. Anyways. So I think I'll land it because I feel like there's some wind over my right shoulder now, so it kind of might be down the runway a little bit. So we'll see what, we'll have to get it out another day. Like I said, I'm going to try to get some more planes set up on Ethos, the FrSky stuff. And I've got one that I'm working on, the stabilization. There's a lot to setting that up. A lot to setting it up. Alright, so that's that. I would say it's not bad. Gonna take a little bit getting used to. Like I said, the programming is a lot. Catch you later, YouTube.